So I'm feeling around here in the engine. See what that is? That's the timing chain. So then we're gonna look at the two cylinders after that. So these the rollers are there. So it's gonna be 1, 2. That's one cylinder. This is the might have to roll the engine over. Right, well, that's the timing chain. Sorry, it takes me a little minute to familiarize. So this is I've never looked at one of these engines before. Looked them out the motors. This is just a new one for me. So I have to take a minute to familiarize myself with this sucker. So this is a single overhead cam. That's the not too down. So then we got a brake. This is the one we're looking at right here. So right now, actually, we're on our we're on our compression stroke now. It's gonna take me a minute to figure this all out. So that's one. So that's our first one. Okay, that could be. So that's the exhaust is closed. Our intake is open. Now we're going over the next couple. Our exhaust is closed. And our intake is closed. So we're up on a compression stroke there. So that's kind of good. I think we're going to check the other bunch here. See if there's another one up on its compression stroke and find it. These two are. So if you look at these two cylinders, see this one here, that's pushing down and that's the exhaust. That would be the intake. This is loose. The exhaust is open. This one here, and the intake is open. And we've got our two middle ones, middle cylinders. And they are on the compression stroke. Is that normal? So now I gotta find out what the firing order of this is. Make sure it's normal. See how that one looks pushed down over here? These look like the same height, right?
They look the same height.
Yeah, but that one's pushed down, right?
Mm.
So it's like going up on the top of the logo over there. Yeah, I don't see anything visibly wrong. configure the lobes here. So what I'm looking for now is the lobes here. They're at the surfaces that these rollers are running around on. I didn't know if there's any on a hill right now. That's on a hill. We still have play. Then we have a problem. But they're both on the construct. So the top. This one's tight. So you can see this one's pushed down too, right?
Yeah.
That one's pushed down. That's up. That's up. Those are up. And that end one is pushed down. These are two are up. So I just gotta find out if these are, because those other rollers could be, on this one here, the little rollers could be damaged, but I'm not sure because I gotta find it out. I'm trying to feel this lobe here. Bigger, or is it smaller? So can you see these lobes? See this? Oh, can you see the lobes on these things?
No, not from here.
Well, I think you take a peek up here then, because should, like, if you could look at this one here, that's pushed down. You're gonna see, which is it? That one there. Yeah, it's quite high. Oh, you can see the whole. I can even touch it easily. Look at that. Look at the height. The lobe right there. It's sticking up. Let's check this one over here. Because the intake one's gonna be sticking up right high too. Yeah, look at that. Where's the... Okay, yeah, no, it's the intake. It's the exhaust one up here is pushed down. Right there, yeah. So let's look at the lobe on that one. It looks like he's just pressing. He's not all the way up yet. He's only just starting to press down. Yeah, I feel these guys up better now. Now this one here. Same. Does that one look like pushed down more than the other one?
Which one and which one?
This one and this one. Myself and checking it. Those two, I'm feeling they feel exactly the same. Oh, that's the sloppy one. That's, these two are right next to each other, right?
Mm-hmm.
Where's another next two? These are two next to each other?
Mm-hmm.
There's another set after that? Right there. Okay, yeah, you can feel this one is a bigger gap. Okay, I see. I'm trying to figure out how to measure with my fingers. Because that one's lifted up. I go over here. They feel exactly the same. They feel the same on the cam. And when I go over here, yes, I can feel the gap. Okay, now I can feel it, the difference. So I'm testing these where the rollers are right here. So if you feel, can you see that gap down there where the roller is? Where the height, see that roller in the cam? See how big it is?
Mm-hmm.
And if you look over here, right there, see how tight it is over here?
Yeah.
So when I'm feeling with my hands, I'm feeling one roller. And these ones here, they're closer. Both of these are the same. And both of these are the same. This one here, yeah, I have no way to measure it. But that one, which roller is this one? That one looked like he might be just starting about to come up, but it hasn't started yet. Everything looks good. Nothing broken, right?
Nothing looks good.
Nope, everything looks good. So no surprises. I'll get the fellow who owns the truck, he wants to look at it, so I'll give him a call and see what he thinks. Right.